Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install elementary OS 7.1 with code name called Horus in VirtualBox 7.0. So it's the latest version of VirtualBox I have installed. So first step is I am going to create one elementary OS virtual machine. So this is the name of my virtual machine. Next I am providing the destination path where virtual machine is getting stored. So next I am providing the ISO image file. So this is the ISO image file of elementary OS, which I already downloaded from elementary operating system website. So this is the flavor of Ubuntu operating system. So let me provide the RAM. So 8 GB RAM and 4 CPU cores I am allocating, and 40 GB virtual hard disk size. Finish. Okay. Settings: system motherboard. Optical drive will be the first device in boot order. So network, we need internet connection, so it will be a NAT. Okay. So this is the installation screen. So English will be the default language. So English US keyboard. Layout also same thing. So I am going to install on our disk, erase disk and install. Okay. Okay, install anyway. Select the VirtualBox hard drive. Okay. So I am not going to encrypt because it will be a little bit slow. So I am not encrypting now. Don't encrypt. Okay. Erase and install. That's the final step. Erase and install. So operating system installation started. Okay. So elementary OS 7.1 Horus has been installed. Let me shut down the device. Okay, go to settings, system, hard disk will be the first device in boot order. So I am unchecking optical. Okay, rest of the settings will be as it is. So once again it will ask for language and keyboard layout. So English will be my default language. So now I am going to create an account. So provide one login username and password for that login user. Next, provide the computer name, that is host name. Finish setup. That's it. So all the steps in installation is completed. So now I am login to elementary OS 7.1. Okay, so you can see that very good elegant look and feel. So look and feel of desktop is very good. Okay, let me adjust the display size. Let me adjust to full screen. Okay. So I can able to view elementary OS in full screen. Okay, so it gives a feel of Mac operating system. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to open the terminal. Okay, so terminal, I am going to open terminal and install VirtualBox guest edition dependencies. So first step is I am going to update the repositories. Okay, sudo apt update. So this will update the repository. So elementary OS 7.1 will be using Ubuntu 22.04 long-term support repositories. Okay. Sudo apt install build essential dkms linux -headers. So this is the command. So these are the dependencies required by VirtualBox guest edition software. So before installing VirtualBox guest edition, we need to install this one. Yes, so dependencies installed successfully. Now let me go to files. Okay, before that I am going to insert VirtualBox guest edition CD image. Yes, so guest edition CD image is mounted. Now from here I am going to open the terminal. Okay, log in as a root user, then only you can install VirtualBox guest edition software. /vbox linux editions.run. Yes, so VirtualBox guest edition is installed successfully. Okay, now I am going to shut down the elementaryos 7.1. So go to VirtualBox settings once again, general, advanced. So shared clipboard bidirectional, drag and drop bidirectional, and shared folders. I am going to mount one Windows host mission folder to elementaryos 7. Auto mount. Okay. So after logging in, I am going to open the terminal. So I am going to run some commands in the terminal. After that I am going to copy paste the terminal output to Windows host mission notepad to check whether shared clipboard feature is working or not. Okay, yeah, let me copy. That's enough. Yes, I can able to copy paste. Let me try from Windows OS mission to elementaryos virtual mission. Yes. Okay, shared clipboard feature is working fine. Now let me test the shared folder. You can see the shared folder is mounted already here, but I am unable to access the shared folder directly. So only root user can access the shared folder content. Okay, so I will be opening the terminal once again. Switch as a root user. So shared folders in elementaryos is mounted under /media directory. Yes, I can able to access the content. So elementary OS 7.1 Horus installation on VirtualBox 7.0 with guest editions is successful. So make sure that you have internet connection in order to download and install the packages.